Hello friend, my name is Ijaz and welcome back to my channel Pro Learner. Today we are going to download and install Turbo C++ in Windows machine. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser and search Turbo C++ download and hit enter. You can see the first link. You don't need to go the first link. Just see the second link, softonic.com. Just click here and you can see the download option is appear. You can just click here, it will start downloading. Just cut this out and here you can see, just click on download. It takes some time and after that it will start downloading. Don't allow the notification, it will irritate you by the mail. So that's just block or just cut this. You can see it is successfully downloaded. Just show in folder, click on show in folder, and here you have to unzip this. For that you have to right click on it and click on extract file, and you can choose the path. I just keep as it is. You can see it is unzipped and we have to just double click on the execution file. Just click on yes, click on next. I do accept the term and condition. You can read and then accept. Okay. If you wish to change the destination folder, you can browse. Otherwise, just click on install. It takes not more than 1 to 2 minutes. Just click on finish, or it is the readme file. You can read. Now you can see Turbo C++ is successfully installed. Just double click on it. This is the interface of Turbo C++. To escape from Turbo C++, you need to enter Alt plus Enter. Okay. Now I just cut this out, and this is how you can download and install Turbo C++ in Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.